today's fab. I am resining some pieces this afternoon, and I thought I would just hop on and show you what that process looks like. I use KS Resin. It's got a really high heat threshold, so it's good for coasters and trivets. So you mix equal parts of resin and hardener, and then you stir it up for, I don't know, 3 to 4 minutes. Scraping all of your sides down. You gotta like really incorporate it pretty good. So I whirl it around and then I go around the sides, clean off my stick. And you can usually tell when it's ready because it has like it's clear. See how clear that is? Now, a lot of people who use resins, they use a respirator. I don't have a respirator. So far I haven't had any problems. I probably should. This has like no odor at all. So I always keep some alcohol with me and my torch and some toothpicks. And so I won't really talk that much while I do this, but I think I'm ready to go.
So at this point I've done 4 trivets, using the torch along the way to pop all the air bubbles. I like to do a final check to see if there's any dust. Everybody's got dust. So I usually use like a little toothpick. Here's the torch. I torch as I do each one, and then I torch at the very end because it'll not only pop more bubbles, but it'll also burn any dust that's landed in it. And then I use a picnic food net to cover to keep the rest of the dust off. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.